Hey guys, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here with my very first design team project for Country Craft Creations. For this, I did a mini album using the Echo Park Lost in Neverland paper, and I did the entire album with the 6x6 paper pad. You may be wondering why. I thought this would be, I know I buy the 6x6 pads all the time, and unless I use them for a waterfall in a big book, I literally never quite know what to do with them, but I buy them anyway. Sometimes I use them for cards, sometimes I use them for other things, but I thought it would be kind of fun to try to do an album using just the 6x6 pad. So that's what I did. This one is a super simple project. If you are brand new to making mini albums, this would be an ideal project for you to try because we're not doing the typical hinge binding in here. This is a very, very simple project. It's a very beginner-friendly project, and if you're a pro at doing these, this will be a really fast one that you could make several of these if you needed a bunch of albums at one time. So let's take a look. So on the front here, I've got the banner pieces out of the ephemera pack that I actually backed with some of the navy blue artisan cardstock. I used the navy artisan's cardstock from Country Craft Creations to build this. I received some chipboard in my design team packet. This actually takes one piece of chipboard and 10 sheets of colored cardstock, one 6x6 paper pad, and then I supplemented that just a tiny bit with the matching solids paper from Echo Park that goes with this collection. This is from the ephemera pack. I backed this as well with some of the navy cardstock, and I popped those up. On the spine here, I've got another piece of the ephemera, and I used some of the enamel dots that go with the collection that were out of my stash left over from when I did the big book with this paper. And then just that adorable map on the back. I love this particular sheet in this entire collection is probably my favorite. So inside, on this side, we have this little quarter circle pocket. Open that up. You've got a nice big photo mat here. Costco actually does 5x5 photo prints that you can order. They're awesome. They would be perfect for in here. You could put smaller photos on this size aside. You could journal over here, and this is just held shut with this. This is one of the 4x4 cut aparts from the full-size sheet that I just backed again with the cardstock, and that just slips down in there and holds that closed. All 4 pages in this book are the same. Each one of them has an insert, and with this all I did is just use some of my scraps that I had left from different parts of the rest of the book. You could journal on these, you could put photos on here. These pockets are loose enough you could get, you know, a number of your own photos in here. You could add more photo mats if you wanted to. This book will actually, as small as it is, it will hold a lot of pictures. This little ephemera piece is loose on the top, so you could use this as a tuck spot if you had, you know, something small that you wanted to hang on to. It would sit right there. This opens up. This is held closed with the magnet. These are just mats. You could put pictures, you could journal, whatever you want to do. That is open as well, so you could get a picture back behind here. The back side is going to be the exact same. We've got the big pocket there with the insert. Other side, pocket with the insert again. On this one I used the border page that is in the 6x6 pad and just left it intact like that and used it on the top part of this particular page. Open it up again. We've got the big photo mats. We've got, you know, this is not fully attached, so you could slip a photo underneath there. Again, just with the insert. And another insert. And more photo mats. insert, insert, and the other half of the border strip page that I left intact. More photo mats, journaling spots, what have you. One more photo mat, and then on the back page we again have that same little gatefold flap with the cut apart holding everything together. So there it is. It's simple, it's easy, but it will make a good impression, makes a big impression. Great for beginners, and I hope you like it. I will try to get the tutorial posted tonight. I'm getting ready to edit that and start uploading it right now, but I've still got a couple more projects coming with this paper line, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.